Hello everyone and welcome back to European Piano Tutorials for Beginners. In this video we are going to learn our Jingle Bells for the very beginners for the very first time for Christmas. Christmas is almost there. We are on the 6th of December today, yes, so it's only a couple of weeks till Christmas, so I thought I'll show you how to play the beautiful Jingle Bells. So we're going to be starting with our right hand today first. And we're going to do it line by line. I found very easy version for very beginners, so I assume you're the very beginner and you can just take it and follow me in the video and just learn it in couple of maybe days, maybe in one day if you like. So first right hand will start just above middle C on the E with finger 3. Okay, so you play 3 times E with finger 3 in right, just above middle C there. So you go E, E, E with right hand like that. Then E, E, E again, and those are the first 2 bars. It's pretty easy there, so you go again, E, 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 then again, then we go bar 3 there, so E, G, C, D, E, and fingers go 3 on E, 5 on G, 1 on C, 2 on D, 3 on E there, okay, and then we, as usual, stop on the first note of second line, so 4 on F, that's the beginning of second line. We always stop, remember, at the start of next line, so when we connect the lines together or join them together, you know where to go next. So now, the whole line like that, so 3 on E first, then E, G, C, D, E, and then F with finger 4, the first note of second line. So then you just repeat that first line few times until you're fluent with it. Then you're ready to do the second line. So now we're going straight into the second line. We go 4 times F in the first bar. We go finger 4 on F there. So we go F, 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 F again, then 3 on E, 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 then E again, then 2 on D, D, then 3 on E, then 2 on D, 5 on G, and then back to 3 on E, the beginning of the third line now. So second line again, we go F, finger 4, F, 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 then F again, then E, finger 3, E, E, then E again, then 2 on D, 2 on D again, 3 on E, 2 on D, then 5 on G, and then stop with finger 3 on E there. So to make it a little bit easier, you can count how many Fs we have there and how many E's and then D's. So you can pretty much count them 5 Fs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times on F, then just to make it very easy for you. Then 4 times on E, then E, 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 then E 4th time, then 2 times D, then 1 time E, and then 1 time D, and then longer D, and then longer G once in the end, and then you go back to E. That's the beginning of the third line. So second line again, all of it starts with 4 on F, 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 then F again, then E, 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 then D, D, E, then D, then G, and then we do E, the beginning of the third line. Okay, so then we've done the second line, and I assume you'll play it a couple of times until you're fluent with it. After that, you're ready to join first 2 lines together. So again, what we started before, we go 3 on E, so E, 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 E again, then E, G, C, D, E, then 4 on F, 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 E, 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 D, D, E, then D, G, and then E again. Okay, so those are the first 2 lines. Just to make it even simpler, remember you are on the C position here, so that means your thumb is always on C, second on D, third on E, 4th on F, and 5th on G. So just don't move those fingers from that position, and then if it's E, you play finger 3rd automatically. If it's G, it's fifth, C is 1, so 2 on D, so basically 1 on C, 2 on D, 3 on E, 4 on F, and 5 on G. We won't go out of this position on the whole piece there, okay? So those were the first two lines. Now, once you've played them through a few times without mistakes, then you're ready to do the third line, which is quite easy. It's the same as the first line again, so we'll just play it once anyway, and then we'll play the beginning of the fourth line. So third line goes E, 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 same like beginning, then E, E, E again, then E, G, C, D, E, and then last line starts with 4 on F again. So that was the last line, okay? So then you play a few times that third line until you're fluent with it. Then you're ready to join all first three lines together. So I won't say the notes now, you just can follow my hand on the keyboard as well. So and then 4 on F there, okay? That's the beginning of the last line. And always remember, be relaxed in your hand, very, like always loose fingers, curved touch on the fingers, I mean the keys with the tips under the fingers there, the soft part, so you're not knocking through the very tips like the bony touch. Watch my other videos about the touch, so you will know why this is very effective way. Okay, now we are ready for the fourth line. We're going 4 on F, 4 on F, then F, 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 then F again, then 3 on E, 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 and then that's pretty much same as second line. Then the last two bars, they're a bit different there, so it goes fifth on the G, then fifth on the G, then 4 on F, 2 on D, then 1 on C. So just to finish the last two bars again, that's the difference there. So 5 on G, 5 on G, 4 on F, 2 on D, then 1 on C there. That's the end of the fourth line and the end of the whole little piece that we're learning today. So last line goes again like that. So F, 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 E, 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 then G, G, F, D, then C in the end. Okay, so and just don't move the fingers off the position, and then that will go right there. So after you've played the last line a few times, you are ready to join the whole lot. So I'll say it once, all 4 lines with notes and fingers, and then I'll play through without naming the fingers and notes. So that's what you you aim to achieve, fluent quality with just playing through all 4 lines. So we've done C line by line, we've done first line, second line, and 2 lines together, then third line, and 3 lines together, then fourth line, then 4 lines together. Okay, so now we are going to do 4 lines together, and I'll name the notes and name the fingers as well, so it's a bit easier for you. So 3 on E, 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 then 3 on E, 5 on G, 1 on C, 2 on D, 3 on E, then 4 on F, 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 then 3 on E, 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 then again 3 on E, 2 on D, D, then 3 on E, then 2 on D, 5 on G, then 3 on E again, then 3 on E again, then again 3 on E, 5 on G, 1 on C, 2 on D, 3 on E there, then 4 on F, 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 then 3 on E, 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 then 5 on G, 5 on G, 4 on F, 2 on D, and 1 on C there. And that's gonna be all 4 lines done, okay? So now you just have to play it a few times fluently without mistakes, and then keep repeating it until you can do it without stops, without, you know, any interruptions there in the wrong fingers or wrong notes. So now I'll just play once all the 4 lines without naming the notes and fingers, and that will be all for this video today. So again, from the beginning, go slow and imagine the mood of Christmas. Always when you play, I say, you have to imagine what you're playing about. It says Jingle Bells, so imagine there are those bells. You can play it in this octave, you can even take it higher, play it for fun, even higher, play it anywhere, you know, just for fun. You can play on different parts of the keyboard just to spice it up, make it different, but just enjoy the music and just let it flow naturally, so you just relax into the mood, you know, don't worry about notes too much, just, you know, chill out there and just go with the music. Just show your soul, show the, you know, expressive side of you. Like I always say, the notes, like they're little kind of little life beings, like they have personalities, okay? So and then just imagine they have color, they have shape, and they have character as well. So and just give them that extra energy of imagination, whatever you imagine there. But it's quite simple. It says Jingle Bells, so imagine those little bells, but you can imagine anything and just create the atmosphere of nice Christmas, okay? Imagine you're at the Christmas dinner, okay, with some close people that you love, okay? So now again from the beginning, all the 4 lines right hand. And there's the end, okay? And play it a few times until you know it well. You can start a little bit softer, then go a bit louder at the end, like I just did, or you can start a bit louder, then go a bit softer in the end, or you can just go through the lines a little bit louder, then a little bit softer. Just play it different on different days and just have fun with it, okay? Just make sure you lift your fingers a little bit at first stages, so you train your fingers as well when you play. So like I did, see, like there, you lift a little bit, at least 1 centimeter. So at first you play it a little bit louder, you know, so you get a bit more feel and touch on the fingers, and later, once the fingers are already accustomed with the notes, you just play it normal, okay? So yeah, this will be all for this video. This is only right hand for Jingle Bells. The next video will be our left hand. We'll be learning our left hand, and the next video will be our both hands. So I want to, you know, put these 3 videos out before Christmas so you can enjoy this beautiful piece at home. You can learn it, hopefully you can learn it quick. If you follow the videos, just go back if you know, don't remember after 1 repetition, but you just go back in the video. You can just go back in it and just repeat those little sections where you feel you need more repetitions until you're fluent, and then yeah, do it and play it until you're fluent with all 4 lines, then you're ready for the next one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video where we learn in our left hand of Jingle Bells, and bye bye for now.